Thanks for joining me today at PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonnemann, and I can't wait to share a Year with My Gnomies collection designed by Becky Moore. The most adorable gnomes have taken over my video studio and wreaked all kinds of havoc today. Before they do any more damage to my studio, let's jump in so I can share all the fun papers and elements in this collection. A Year with My Gnomies is meant to be a calendar kit that includes all the papers and coordinating stickers you need to decorate a 12-month Maker's Series calendar, shown here. Both pieces are sold individually, so if you wanted to decorate your calendar with 10 by 10 photos, which would be quick and easy as a gift for Christmas, or use your favorite paper collections to come up with your own designs. Lots of options for being able to create a beautiful calendar for 2022. Before we take a look at each of the papers, I wanted to kind of show you what is included as well as some of the different design elements that we've included to make life a little bit easier as you decorate your calendar. So all of the papers are included as well as all of the sticker sheets. Before we get started with all of the goodies inside of the calendar kit, I wanted you to know that there are two separate calendar kits available. One includes all of the US holidays for 12 months, and the other includes all of the 12 months of the US holidays, as well as 3 sheets of extra pieces for our Canadian customers. So there are 2 12 by 12 sheets. They're double-sided with all kinds of fun elements. This is meant to substitute the July kit for the 4th of July in the United States and celebrate Canada Day. So that's kind of what the theory is behind the extra sheets in the Canada collection. So cute. True North, strong and free, some journaling elements, this fun barbecue paper with the cute little gnomes. It also includes an extra set of element stickers to be able to decorate July for Canada Day, as well as some fun extra elements down here. So when you're ordering your calendar kit, make sure that you either order the original one or the Canadian version, depending on where you live. I'm going to start by showing you all of the paper that comes in the kit. Each month has 2 double-sided papers. One includes all of the cut-aparts. This is the January cut-apart. And then the back features this beautiful polka dot that matches all of the fun colors for January. If you're making the calendar, you can cut your background paper down to 10 by 10 and decorate it with all of the fun elements. Or if you would like to do 12 by 12 pages for your album, this would be the perfect way to have 12 months with lots of elements to be able to create 12 by 12 layouts or a year in a glance. There are not only 12-inch border strips, there's lots of sentiments, tags, all kinds of elements that you can cut apart. If you're a card maker, this would give you a ton of options for the whole entire year. So think about that as we go through each of the papers as well. This is the January Icons paper with all of these adorable little gnomes playing in the snow. When you flip this paper over, you're going to get 4 6 by 6 squares. One will be your calendar, which is undated, and then 3 additional patterned papers. If you're a card maker, think about all the options you can get with the different patterned papers. You can also make a 6 by 6 calendar as a gift. This is the February cards paper, which includes all the fun cut-aparts, the sayings, the 12-inch border strips, Valentine's Day, the month, a little bit of journaling spot over here, these cute little gnomes at the top. How adorable. The back includes little heart boxes of candies, fun arrows, as well as a few valentines. The February Icons paper includes these adorable gnomes. Don't they just melt your heart? Absolutely precious. Then the back of that paper includes your 6x6 calendar that's undated, and then 3 fun designs that mix and match with all of the February icons and stickers. I'll show you the stickers at the very end. It wouldn't be March without St. Patrick's Day, and of course, a few gnomes and their pots of gold. Again, you have the 12-inch border strips, lots of cut-aparts, and this plaid on the back. The March Icons paper includes lots of gnomes chasing rainbows. How cute are these lucky little guys? The back of that paper features the 4 6x6 squares, including the undated calendar, and 3 6x6 pattern papers. As a card maker, I'm super excited to do something with these fun pieces. The April cards have Happy Easter, the month, as well as lots of cut-aparts to use to decorate your calendar, cards, or layouts. The back of this paper features lots of spring flowers. The April Icons paper is perfect for Easter with all these cute little spring gnomes. The back of that paper includes the April calendar and 3 6x6 pattern papers. The May cards include Mother's Day as well as National Scrapbook Day. The cute little gnomes, a few little journaling spots, as well as the 12-inch border strips. It also includes fun flowers on a cute pink background. This is the May Icons paper with lots of adorable little gnomes. It also includes the May calendar and 3 spring patterned papers. The June card paper includes lots of cars, some fun gears, banners, journaling spots, as well as the month and Father's Day. The back of that paper includes this plaid that mixes and matches beautifully with all of the June elements. The June Icons paper features the gnomes on the go, perfect for a summer vacation or Father's Day. The back of that paper features the June calendar in a 6x6 size, a smaller version of the gears, some fun tools, as well as the green checked background. The July cards include lots of tags and journaling spots, perfect for the 4th of July celebrations. The back of that paper is a red, white, and blue gingham. The July Icons paper features all of the fun and festive gnomes grilling out, drinking lemonade, and enjoying a beautiful day in the sun. The back of that paper includes your July calendar and 3 fun patterns. Things are heating up with the August card paper with lots of lemonade, popsicles, flip-flops, pineapples, and more. Perfect for your summer fun festivities. The back of that paper includes these amazing little popsicles and ice cream cones and lemons. So sweet. In August, we have a bunch of gnomes on the move with scooters and bicycles, stopping to enjoy watermelon and so much more. The back of that paper includes the August calendar and 3 patterned papers. For September, the gnomes are heading back to school with lockers and pencils and pens, books, journaling spots, a ruler, this fun 12-inch border with pencils. Perfect for a calendar, but also for back to school layouts, as well as cards. The back of this paper features these fun apples on a light blue background. These would be great for teacher cards. The back of that paper features the 6x6 September calendar, supplies, lined paper, as well as these fun books. The Gnomies are scaring up some trouble in October with these Halloween icons. Lots of sentiments, border strips, as well as a fun background with trick or treat, scary, eek, witch's brew, lots of words to be able to use as a background for both a calendar page, a card, or even a layout. The October icons featured the gnomes hiding out in a pumpkin patch, and the back features the October calendar and 3 fun patterns as well. The gnomes are ready to serve up some Thanksgiving fun with lots of icons as well as borders, great place for traditions, the month, as well as a Happy Thanksgiving title. The back includes this beautiful assortment of fall leaves. Absolutely stunning. The gnomes are having a little fall fun with the November icons paper. Easily decorate the November calendar with the 3 different 6x6 pattern papers as well. The gnomes are ready for Christmas and lots of presents with the December cards page, which includes 2 12-inch strips, fun words, tags, as well as the month and a Merry Christmas banner at the bottom. The back features these fun fonts with joy, peace, and love. The Gnomies have gotten together to pick up their Christmas tree and go Christmas shopping for all of their presents with the December icons paper. The back includes a 6x6 December calendar and 3 pattern papers, perfect for decorating your calendar as well as cards or even a layout. Also included in the calendar kit are element sticker sheets. This one covers January through April. It includes a few icons for each month that matches the papers you just saw perfectly. So you have a little bit of snow fun for January, hearts and flowers for February, St. Patrick's Day for March, and spring and Easter for April. These stickers are perfect for decorating your 10x10 calendar or even a layout. This element sticker sheet includes all of the months from May through August. The icons include Mother's Day, Father's Day, summer, 4th of July. You've got a few different types of fonts that you can use for the months. There's May, June, and then you've got May, June, July, August here. Here's July and August. So each of those stickers match the papers that you just saw perfectly. So all of the July papers will be in these fun blues, reds, and whites. Summer will have all these fun bright colors. So it's a perfect combination of all the things you could possibly want for 12 months out of the year. This is the last element sticker sheet in the collection. It includes all the icons for September through December. So you're looking at back to school, Halloween, Thanksgiving, as well as Christmas. PHOTOPLAY has also created a Solids Plus pack that are the perfect colors to match all of the patterned papers and stickers that I just showed you. Each of the papers are double-sided. So with this paper, it's teal on one side and green on the other. You get 2 sheets of each of these papers in the Solids Plus pack. So you have lots of colors to choose from. This is the orange and light teal paper. Again, you get 2 of each. How pretty is the Solids Plus yellow and blue paper? Love this blue. This is the pink and green paper. There's also a red and black in the Solids Plus pack. And the last sheet in the Solids Plus is orange and pink. If you want even more options, be sure to pick up the Solids Plus A Year with My Gnomies paper pack. Be sure to look at the back of the packaging inside of A Year with My Gnomies for lots of great ideas, inspiration, maybe a starting point to create something of your own. But we give you 12 designs to kickstart your creativity. Whether you're making calendars for the holidays, cards, layouts, or paper crafting projects, this has everything you need to have hours of fun. We hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.